area of patient safety is quite an exciting area to be in.
I think that is about us all relentlessly making patients be involved in their own safety, not just the passive recipients of healthcare.
We will change the way that power is distributed, we will change how roles are perceived and enacted, and patients will have the tools to lead safety.
Communication's key, learning and listening, and actually involving absolutely everybody in that pathway. So it's not just about doctors and nurses, but also our patients, their families, their carers, the paramedics.
And I think there has to be a plea for formalised training. If you take the role of the governance midwife or the obstetric governance lead, there's often a very sparse job description, there's no training and there's limited time. So I think those foundation roles on the ground need to be really carefully thought through, resourced.
Patient safety is different from complaints handling, but they are related, and there is a need to talk through how to join the two things together to make sure that people who are harmed get proper recompense from the system and the system learns from it. Unless we learn from accidents, then the system will never get better.
It isn't just the clinical practice, there's usually a product or products involved in that. So my vision would be that we work together as a system to learn from incidents so we can give a joined-up approach for the NHS as a whole, rather than it being siloed with products versus service.
I think to some degree we'll be driven by circumstance. The pandemic has driven change and almost forced digital adoption. Digital can do a lot of the hard work. Machine learning, AI, IoT devices, and these kind of things. I think absolutely there will be a shift to adopting more and more on this.
I think we moved very much into codifying things, checklists, risk assessment algorithms. One of the things we've learned from COVID is the unexpected can and does happen. And what we need for the unexpected is highly skilled professionals who use their knowledge, but also their experience to make decisions that are right in that moment. We need to recapture that professional expertise alongside the aid memoirs we have from the algorithms.
I think we're going to see much more use of techniques like simulation to diagnose things that are going wrong, but also to test out solutions. We need to think much bigger about how we design and test solutions at scale, but I would be very keen for it to develop in a highly evidence-based way.
I'm very encouraged about new initiatives that I think in the longer term are going to improve patient safety in the UK.
Actually, we're never going to have solved patient safety fully. We're going to need to keep relentlessly focusing in on opportunities that we see to improve services and outcomes where harm occurs.
I think if we put humanity at the centre of patient safety, we'll find good ways forward.